In this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem secret codes here in Clash Royale. This is going to be codes that unlock you exclusive rewards, and I'll even give you a code to redeem in this video. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content just like this. But if you want to redeem secret codes here in Clash Royale, here's exactly how you can do it step by step. First things first, once you are in Clash Royale, you are going to need to make sure that your Clash Royale account is associated with a Supercell store ID. To do this, click on these three lines and then click on Supercell ID and just make sure that you log in or create a Supercell ID right here. From here, after doing so, you can actually back out of Clash Royale and open up a web browser of your choice. In this case, I'm going to use Safari and head to store.supercell.com. This is going to take you to a page that looks like this. Scroll down till you find Clash Royale and open it up. And from here, scroll all the way down on this option past all of these things to the very bottom. And yes, I know there's a lot of stuff on this page, but at the very bottom, you're going to see an option that says redeem a store code. From here, you just need to type in whatever code you might have. In this case, the secret code for today's video is going to be fire, fire, fire. Now, I'm going to be making a ton of other videos on secret codes, so make sure you subscribe to the channel with all notifications on so you don't miss them. But essentially, once you type in the code, go ahead and hit submit. And as you can see, I've just unlocked myself the Feral Dragon emote. I'm going to claim it just like so. And now I can back out and head into Clash Royale. And as you can see, I now have a brand new emote to use whenever. I can even show you in the collection right now. If I go over here, the emote is right here. This one's super funny. It's like a good boy emote in my opinion. So make sure you're at least redeeming this one. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more videos like this. Have a great day. Peace.